The first thing I need is dumpling wrappers. It's easy to make from scratch. I used bread machine to make dough, and pasta machine to make sheets of dough. Then use 3-inch cookie cutter to cut in dough to make dumpling wrappers. A complete video can be found in YouTube with title, How to Make Dumpling Wrappers with Bread Maker and Pasta Machine, JJK's Way. I used Napa cabbage in my recipe for dumplings. Water content in Napa cabbage is about 80%. With that great deal of water, dumpling filling will become mushy. That's not good. I need to squeeze part of the water out of it. Here is what I do. Dice Napa cabbage into small, bite-sized chunks. Then run through a mini food processor to mince them. Add 2 teaspoons of salt, mix well and let it rest for about 20 minutes and then use hands to squeeze out excess water. Set aside. Use food processor to mince green onion, chicken breast, and shrimp. In a large bowl, add Napa cabbage, green onion, chicken breast, shrimp, salt, black pepper, white pepper, and Ms. and 1 egg. Mix until thoroughly combined. Set aside by covering it up with plastic wrap and store in refrigerator. Place a small scoop of the filling onto the center of a wrapper. Fold up the 2 sides and pinch together in the center of rim. Pinch together and pleat the remaining edges along one side. Repeat with remaining wrappers and filling. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large non-stick pan. Place dumplings on the pan. Add 1 cup of cold water. Cover the pan with a lid. Cook over high heat for 9 minutes or until most of the water is evaporated. Take the lid off. Continue to cook for another 4 minutes or until dumplings' bottoms are golden brown and crisp. Repeat with remaining dumplings.